Hello everyone, I'm Sasi Priya. Today I'm here to help you with few tips to easily crack this multiple choice to choose multiple answers in PTE test. So let's proceed. As we all know, there is a multiple choice question type which will expect you to choose multiple answers in our reading test. And also, this is a negative marking question type where you are expected to choose all the possible correct answers from the option choices given to you. If not, we will have to lose mark for the answers that are not selected, also the option choices which are selected incorrectly. And how long should we spend on this particular item? There is no defined time or there is no individual time given for each task here. Rather, we will have to approximately manage to spend 1.5 to 2 minutes of time to read the passage and identify the answers according to the question stem. So usually this multiple choice, multiple answer questions will expect you to identify the statements that are true according to the passage given to you. So the procedure here is always read the question to know the purpose of reading the passage. As I said, the most familiar question stem we can expect here is identify the statements that are true according to the passage. For that, you should read the passage and identify all the important points discussed in the passage. Later, start reading the option choices and please note the option choices presented here will be paraphrased. So you need to be able to paraphrase the information that is stated in the passage. So select all the possible statements that are true. Do not assume, do not consider your personal opinions and do not consider facts when you are identifying the option choices here. Do not spend more than 2 minutes of time as you will not be able to manage answering the remaining questions in this particular section. Thank you. Good luck.